finally we come into the project. We'll see two examples with real-time data. So I'm going to plot the price over time for all the countries. Add a legend with the country name. So plot of prices for countries, comma, prices for. And legend will be legend with price over time. The plot of YR raw comma thing and the legend of countries. I think this should work. Yes, see here legend of countries. Okay, I'm just plotting it. Remove any NANs that we have seen how to remove the NANs. So you can use any method. See what method they have followed. They have removed NANs from all the three prices, NAN, bad, gross prices, year. So from everybody they have removed and they are going to plot the modified thing. And this modified graph will be somewhat different from the original graph. It will be somewhat different. See here, the graphs are somewhat different. Now normalizing. So normalizing, we do it for reducing the value between 0 and 1. So normalizing, we do it. The same thing normalize, use the normalize command. We are going to normalize and again plot. Okay, so it is very simple. I am normalizing the price and then I am just plotting. When normalize, the value will be between 0 and 1. See here, all the values will be between 0 and plus or minus 1. The values will be compressed. And finally, the population survey. Same thing we are doing with different data. Okay, to understand plot population as a function of year with circular markers, that is fine. Plotting. Again, normalize. Wherever you have NAN, replace it with 0. That can be done. And finally, replace the missing values linearly. So use the filling missing data with the property linear and you will get the answer. Today, actually, we have completed 2 modules, organizing and pre-processing. So this is actually, today we had only pre-processing, but I felt that this organizing data would be also better to understand. So I have actually taught both organizing and pre-processing. In the pre-processing, the common things I didn't take because we are doing the same thing for each example using the interpolation and we are doing it. So I didn't take that.